10th win and trying to solidify their hold on first place. Adam Parada and company. And these two teams, they know each other oh so well. You know, having had so many epic battles in the past. And these battles happening in the finals, no? Kaya mas intense yung kanilang rivalry.
Rightly so, especially makikita mo pa doon si Rico Villanueva wearing a Red Bull jersey. So marami nang pinagdaan itong dalawang kupunan. And we talk about these coaches. Right, dalawa sa pinaka-dynamic na mga coaches natin ito. One of the more dynamic teams also. Kaya naman, every Red Bull and Pure Foods game is always a game to watch.
Yeah, that's why even yung mga taga-barangay who saw their team win earlier over the Coca-Cola Tigers, they're hanging around because alam nila de kalidad because you have two champion coaches, two champion teams, and a big set of prime-time players on the court right now. As Ralimi scores off the glass.
And a bad point on the defense of Red Bull. Why? You have Kirby Raimundo anchoring the fast break and Reda Ralimi finishing it. So dalawang malalaki, hindi napigil itong mga taga Red Bull.
Parada is blocked. Here comes Evangelista. Quick start here para sa Pure Foods. Here's Ralimi once again. And then Ralimi will locate Lanete. 4-3. Yes, sir! TM3 for Chico Lanete.
Nung first half of play natin, maagang nagsimula ang Red Bull to score. Dito sa ating second half, it's Pure Foods na maaga ang pagsinti ng kanilang mga puntos. 1-point lead lang yan sa pagsisimula ng ating second half. Now it's an 8-point lead.
And a miscue there. Nadulas itong si Rich Alvarez.
Some coaches put special emphasis on this point of the ball game, yung simula ng third quarter. Knowing that basketball is a game of streaks, napakahalaga ito sapagkat ika nga pareho ng mainit. At kapag napatunayang maging mas mainit ka sa simula ng mahabang timeout sa dugout sa pagitan ng dalawang halves, this would be a very important start.
In the meantime, tinawagan ng foul si Kirby Raimundo is second.
Iiling-iling itong si Kirby Raimundo. Kanina, he mapped a lot of opportunities, especially pag siya tumatapos ng fast break. Kaya makita mo kanina, pinasa na lamang niya kay Ralimi.
Baguio with a rebound. Bagong shot clock para sa Red Bull. Parada with an open shot. At sa wakas ay nakapuntos na ang Red Bull here in the second half.
Patuloy pa rin ang duelo niya na Reda at saka itong si Adam Parada. 14 si Parada, 15 naman itong si Ralimi.
And now let's go to Eric Reyes.
Well, for Red Bull, Miko, nagkakaproblema talaga sila with the adjustment with Reda Ralimi. Nakita naman natin na right now, nakakapuntos pa lang niya. At, he's been hitting a lot of outside shots. They really have to close out on him. Magiging makalaking problema for Adam Parada because magdodraw ngayon siya palabas. Sabi ni Coach Gia Banilla, in transition points ng Pure Foods was also a problem and they really have to close out on three-point shooters. On the other hand, sa Pure Foods naman, transition points din ng Red Bull ang naging problema and they were badly out-rebounded by Red Bull. They have to do a better job closing out those rebounds. Miko?
Well, nakita natin in that second quarter, Red Bull out-rebounded Pure Foods 18-10.
But still, itong kupunan ng Pure Foods sa pamunan ng kanilang import. Sabi nga ni Reda Ralimi, what is important is for us to win this ball game. At mukhang pupunta sila doon sa kagustuhan nila niya dahil kanina ay nagpako kagad sila ng 8-point lead. Pero ang Pure Foods, hindi ito susuko. Oh, ganda naman, hindi lang nakuha.
Well, here's Baguio, he'll try again. Pinasa kay Parada, agawa ng dalawang higante. Everybody stay out of the way. Women and children, you can go out first.
7-foot, isang 7-1, isang 7-footer.
Walang mahikialam dyan.
Ang laki pa ng katawan. Isang Meksikano, isang Moroccan. Mga kilalang mga warriors talaga yung mga yan. Lalaki pa ng shorts. Kaya tumabi muna kayo, mga mata ka ng ngayon.
Pati si Ray Bridges, pero easy lang eh. Baka makakaltag bigla eh.
the battle is really going on between
I
these
tell you,
two
I
empires.
tell you, nobody, okay,